Hey real fam, so I'm about to keep it clean with Cleanipedia. So ever since I went through their website, cleanipedia.com, I got amazing tips to keep my laundry clean, my house clean, and all of that. So right now I'm checking all the temperatures, making sure that on my machine I use the right type of temperature and sort out my laundry the best way possible. I love it and I'm enjoying every tip possible. And of course, using sunlight powder is the best. Keeping my clothes smelling good and fresh with a touch of comfort. I mean, what would we do without comfort? Comfort is my favorite. Your clothes smell fresh, feel soft all day, every day. You know what I'm saying? I love it. I'm enjoying every moment of it. And of course, it smells so good. Yes. So, like I said, guys, it's so important to make sure that you use the right type of temperature for your clothes, because you can damage your clothes if you don't use the right temperature. So some items would need you to use like cold wash, or depending on the type of clothes that you have. So it is quite important to do that. So while my laundry is still doing this, let's go and do some ironing. So how many times have you burned your clothes just because you didn't use the right temperature from your iron? I mean, your amazing item that you love dearly. So it's important for you to always check the right temperature when doing your laundry. And of course, Cleanipedia has all the tips again. You need all the tips on every material. Go to Cleanipedia right now and check it out. I promise you, you're gonna love it. And I can even fold my clothes nicely, all thanks to Cleanipedia. Hey real fam, hope you can see me. This amazing box right here is taking all their attention, but I'm excited because I'm gonna be unboxing what I got from Cleanipedia. So Cleanipedia is your plug to keeping your home clean. So they are the expert in terms of how you can keep your bathroom, your laundry clean, your house in general, like anything. So anything that you might need, you can actually go there and get all the details. So all you got to do is to just sign up into cleanipedia.com and get all the necessary, information on how you can keep your house in order. So I mean, my cleaning just got better, guys. Like, I'm loving every tip that is there because I've started using it, and I must say it just got better. I'm enjoying my cleaning even better than I used to. I mean, from cleaning my showers, from doing my laundry, from making sure that all the clothes, as you saw earlier, when I was doing my laundry, I made sure that, okay, I check all the temperatures, because sometimes we put stuff and then we don't know what temperature it needs to be in. So definitely Cleanipedia has helped me so much. And of course, it's not all, there's still so much more, but I'm advising you to go and check it out. But before you go there, let's open the box. You want to know what's in the box? What's in the box? That's a really good question. Ooh, okay. I'm so excited, guys. This box is so big. It's so big. And how cool is this box? It's so gorgeous. I love it. Like, I so love it. I love the colors. Look at that. I'm even matching, look at that. How cool is that? It's so beautiful. The packaging is amazing. Cleanipedia, you guys are amazing. I mean, guys, I want to show you all the products and everything. Guys, my cleaning just got better. I'll zoom them in because you might not see everything from here. Or should I just put them here? Yes, so this is what I got. So this right here is the skip to make sure that all my white clothes, they remain white, okay? And of course, we have already, my kitchen is smelling fresh because of Handy Andy right there, okay? So it's already in use. We've got all the cleaning products, guys. For my bathroom, I'm sorted. Like, I'm sorted, guys. I'm sorted. Do you understand? I am so sorted. My laundry, I am sorted. Sunlight. Woo. I dropped something, but anyway, let's continue. I've got skip again. So this is perfect. It's perfect for the machine as well. So it's definitely a good plug. And of course, dishes every day. My goodness, like, guys, look at this. I mean, and of course, what would we do without comfort? I mean, this is the real plug, guys. And to think that this is the only fragrance that I use. I mean, guys, like, comfort. It smells amazing. It smells fresh. You become fresh all day, every day, okay? So definitely is the plug. And of course, you always need a bit of sunlight in your home. Oh, my towels. They are so happy with this, hey? So cool, guys. Oh, wow. Of course, look at that. The dustbin. How cute, guys. How cute, my word. Oh, my windows and my sliding door. Like, guys, this is the real plug. And the nice thing, guys, about this is that you just spray it and wipe. It's that easy. It's that quick. You don't need to be using too much of water. It's like easy like that. And of course, I've got this gorgeous empty containers that I can use, of course, if I want to mix them up or put water or whatever that I would want to use them for. And even when I iron, sometimes I put a little bit in there. So yeah, I mean, guys, look at that. Look at the brushes. Like, I'm so excited. Cleanipedia, you are the plug. You are the plug. I mean, dusting my home, guys. Like, look at that. How cool. Making sure that my house remains clean, okay? I'm loving this. All the necessary wipers, like for if maybe I'm obviously cleaning my oven and all that, guys. These are so nice. These are so cool. Like, I can't, yo. I'm happy for this, because you know what, sometimes the grillings and everything can be too much, because you have to scrub and everything, and sometimes you ruin the inside of the oven. But if you have this, you sorted. I mean, multi-purpose cleaner as well, guys. So when you're on the go, when you're busy, maybe doing some stuff quickly, and then you want to leave your house looking clean, you just quickly and then wipe. And then you're done. How do you like that? How do you like that? And of course, you can't wash your dishes without the sponges, okay? And what would we do without the gloves to take care of our beautiful hands, right? We need to take care of our hands. So the gloves are definitely, ooh, my long nails are, ooh, okay. How cute, guys. How cute. How cute is that? This is definitely the plug. Like, guys, look at that. Like, I'm sorted for days. I am sorted. I think, let me put the box away a little bit. Should I put it away? Yeah, just a little bit, so that we can admire what we have here, okay? Like, guys, look at that. My home, the spring cleaning that I'm gonna do in my house, darlings. You better be ready. You better be ready. It's gonna be amazing. This is beautiful. This is, like, I'm loving it. And I personally love cleaning. I love keeping my home clean. But sometimes, you know, when you're working and having to clean each and every day, it can be very tiring, okay? But when you have products like this, when you can just, you know, use them and keep your house clean, because like some of, like for example, this handy andy has, you know, a bit of bleach in it, so all the germs won't actually be bothering you in your house. Okay, so make sure that you plug yourself with all the tips that are necessary for you to achieve all the best in terms of having a wonderful home, a fresh smelling house, a clean house. Okay, and it's spring, guys, it's spring. So you know what that means, right? It means that you need to do some spring cleaning. Make sure that you get rid of the things that are not, you don't need it. I personally need to do a lot of some cleaning up, and I'll definitely share with you what I'm going to be spring cleaning. Getting rid of the old clothes that I don't wear anymore. It's high time, you know that item that you have that you've been wearing for years, I mean that you haven't worn for like a year, but it's still in your wardrobe, taking all the space, right? Well, I'm the victim of that, so I'm gonna be dealing with that, because Cleanipedia has all the amazing tips, guys. It has all the amazing tips for you to, you know, package your closet, you know, all the things that you need to get rid of or to use to have nice space, you know, to categorize all your clothing items, you know, all the different hangers that, like, Bona, it's a lot. But anyway, with that said, let me not go on. Let me allow you to go into cleanipedia.com to sign up and actually check out all the things that you can actually do for your home. You need all the plug possible, so don't waste any time. Please go down to the description there and click on that link. It will take you to Cleanipedia website, and you will definitely get the plug that you need. Don't say I've never done anything nice for you. Okay, so yeah, that is from me to you. All right, and of course, thank you so much. A big thank you to Cleanipedia for my amazing products. I love them, and you know what, I've already used like almost most of them, and I'm so excited to try all the tips that are there that I need for my home. I'm excited, and thank you so much to Cleanipedia, and of course the amazing Mpoomy driver for plugging me as well. Thank you so much. So guys, that is it for my video today. I hope that you took something from it, and I hope that you will get that plug by going to that site and actually making a difference to your home. You know, let's do this. Let's keep our homes clean, you know, clean environment, clean mindset, everything. All right. Yeah, anyway, with that said, thank you so much, guys. Please make sure that you click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my next videos. Until next time with another video, bye for now.